Regen.
What is going on, guys? Regen here. I'm going to be bringing you another video, another tutorial video, and I'm going to be talking about how to connect your normal Apple headphones to an Xbox One controller. Now, at the very beginning of this, I just want to say, as a little disclaimer, that this will not work as a microphone. There is no possible way to use your Apple headphones as a microphone. You are able to use them for the game volume, but you cannot use them as a microphone. There is no possible way with any Apple headphones. The reason being is Apple created their product to have the 4 silver lines. So the four spots right there, it's kind of blurry, as left, right, ground, mic, but normal headphones go left, right, mic, ground. Being that the last two are switched, it does not allow your microphone to be used on the Xbox One. Now I'm going to make this video very short and show you how to do this as a tutorial. So simply all you're going to do is need a Xbox One controller with the 3.5mm headphone jack, or an adapter piece with the 3.5mm head jack. So what you're going to do is plug this into the controller as so. And after you do that, you're going to double tap the Xbox home button and this menu is going to come up. You're going to go down all the way to settings, turn off headset mic, and put your mic monitoring all the way down. That basically allows you to hear yourself in your own microphone. With that being all the way down, you are able to play with the game volume. Turning off the headset mic allows you to also, even though with it on you can still use it, but having it off disables the microphone because it doesn't work anyways. So you can do it that way, and then after that you'll be able to play no problem. That's all you have to do. Very simple steps. Or you can simply, if you have one of these laying around, plug this in as so, and then just simply plug the headphone jack in, and there's nothing else you have to do. That is all you have to do. Now this way, I would personally recommend muting your microphone. Even though the mic doesn't work, with it unmuted, other people in game chat may be able to hear a staticky noise because of your mic and how it's set up. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is a very simple way to use your Apple headphones on your Xbox One. Now, like I said at the beginning of the video, the microphone will not work and you will not be able to find a solution to make them work. You simply have to buy different types of headphones. These are the headphones I use. I strongly recommend them. They're called Skull Candy 5050s. They're the best gaming headphones I've ever used, and they only cost me $40. Amazing. I own Turtle Beaches right there, the back there, and I do not use them at all. They're like $150, and I'd much rather prefer these earbuds. Way better. Earbuds are way better than headphones. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more future videos. And I also want to say I have a tutorial video on how to set up your Xbox 360 controller in your Xbox One. I'm going to leave a link in the description of that because that is also a very big tutorial of mine. And I personally think that it is one of the easiest ways to do so. It's very simple. And yeah, don't forget to hit the like button to try to get this video to the top of the list so more and more people can see what is going on. Thank you guys. This is Regen signing out. Peace.